who using AWS Cloud 2020. So AWS means Amazon Web Service. Here the customers list. So whether it's technology gains, television networks, banks, food manufacturers or governments, many different organizations are using Amazon Web Service to develop, deploy and host applications. According to Amazon, the number of active AWS users exceed 1 million peoples. So here the word cloud. So let's first see about the cloud. Cloud computing means cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Pay-as-you-go pricing means you have to pay for what you used. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining a physical data center and servers, you can access technology services such as cloud computing power, storage, database on as on needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Service. Cloud computing plays an important role in the field of information technology services and its application, and it is useful to provide the data to the customer. So the three common platforms in cloud computing. So cloud clients or web servers, mobile apps, thin client and terminal emulator. So SaaS, software as a service. You can use the software as a service to deploy applications like email and virtual desktop, communication, games, and PaaS, platform as a service, and execution runtime, database, web server, and development tools. And the infrastructure as a service for virtual machine servers, storage, load balancers, and network. Advantage and disadvantage of using cloud computing. Cost efficient. Building our own servers and tools is too time consuming as well as expensive. So we need to order and pay for install and configure expensive hardware long before we need it. And reliability. A cloud computing platform provides much more managed, reliable and consistent services than in-house IT infrastructure. It guarantees 24/7 and 65 days of services and unlimited storage. Cloud computing provides almost unlimited storage capacity. Example, we do not worry about running out of storage space or increase our current storage space availability. Backup and recovery. Sometimes if any disaster or we lost our data, we can also backup our data. And disadvantage of using cloud is security. Security is a major issue in cloud computing. The cloud service provider implement the best security standards and industry certification. However, storing data and important files on external cloud providers always bears a risk. Why AWS Cloud is good to use? AWS Cloud infrastructure is designed to be the most flexible and secured cloud network. It provides a scalable and highly reliable platform that enables customers to deploy applications and data quickly and securely. Some of the information about Amazon Web Service. So data centers. About data centers, they have optimal size for maximum efficiency. Data centers are too small, don't achieve any economics of scales, and those that are too large can reduce the overall reliability. And regions or AWS provide more extensive global footprint than any other cloud provider. Each AWS region provides full redundancy and connectivity to the network. So they have consist 24 geographic regions, 1 local regions, and even more in the works. They also contain multiple geographic including North America, South America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Regions are connected to the global network with 100 Gbps intercontinental network speed. Top 5 billion dollars companies using AWS Cloud, and its sum of is Netflix. It is an online platform for video streaming with low latency and delay. So the main goal is to deliver the customers and ease to enjoy whatever they like. They have estimated 7 billion hours video streaming, 50 million customers in 60 countries. So they preferred AWS because they wanted to be more focused on updating, saving and managing instances over the cloud. To do that, they use a model AWS infrastructure of about tons of instances over many geographical areas. Using cloud, they can handle the infrastructure programmatically. Netflix is using dozens of EC2. EC2 means Elastic Cloud Computing instances running across 3 AWS regions. They also use Amazon S3. S3 means Simple Storage Service for chopping the video content into 5-second parts, package it and deploy into the content deliver networks. So AWS helps them in achieving setting up a backup for disaster activity. Lambda helps them to copy and validate it. AWS Cloud helps them in monitoring and creating alerts and trigger it to compensate changes in situations. And also another platform is Coursera. Coursera is the online education platform with the aim of promoting the world's best curriculum website. So they offer online streaming lectures as well as the video tutorials in any relevant field of study. They have estimated 13 million users from around 190 countries with over 1,000 courses. So they just wanted to have the efficient utilization of resources. They use Amazon Elastic Container Services to move easily to microservice based architecture. They are using Amazon EMR, Redshift, Cassandra and Amazon RDS and many more third-party tools to set up the infrastructure. Amazon ECS also help them handling all the cluster management. Using AWS Cloud, they achieve the usability of resources, speed and agility in their processor, scalable and capacity operational efficiencies. Thank you.